So, hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So, children, up to now we discussed up to 6 questions from that worksheet 2A. Okay. So, here the leftover questions from this one. Here the 7th question is, if 4 by 9x plus 1 by 3y which is equals to 1. Okay. So, here one of the equation, what is that? Here 4 by 9x plus 1 by 3y which is equals to 1. So, that is the first equation. What they given here? 4 by 9x, which means here 4x by 9, or 1 by 3y which is equals to 1. This is equation number 1. And the second equation they given, that is 5x plus 2y which is equals to 13. Okay, so this is the second equation. Okay, so by taking these two equations here, first we have to find the values of x and y. After we have to go for that x plus y. Okay, so from the first equation, once observe this one, here the arbitrary constants, they are in that a, b, c values. So here a and b are in that fraction form. So here you better to take that LCM of the fractions, LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators here? 3 and 9. So what is the LCM of 3 and 9? That is 9. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So here the first one, 4x by 9, the first term should be multiplied with 9. Why? Because here we got that 9 as the LCM, no? So that's why. Plus 1 into y, which is y by 3 into 9. So, which is equals to here 1 into 9. Am I clear to you? So, from this one, here 9 and 9 gets cancelled, and here 3 is 9. So, here 4x plus 3y which is equals to 9. So, this is that equation number 1. Clear? So, and this is equation number 2. By solving 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 equations. So, by solving that 1 and 2 equations, here what is the first equation, ma? 4x plus 3y which is equals to 9. And the second equation is 5x plus 2y which is equals to 13. So, to find the values of x and y, here we can equate that any coefficients, either that is x coefficient or y coefficient. Okay. So, the first equation I want to multiply with the x coefficient. Okay. X coefficient from that second equation. So, what is that, ma? That is 5. And here the second equation should be multiplied with the first equation x coefficient. Okay. So, that is 4. So, from this one we are getting here 5 4s 20x. And here 5 3s 15y which is equals to 5 9s 45. Clear? And in the same way here 4 5s 20x and here 4 2s are 8y which is equals to here 13 4s 52. Okay? Take the difference. So, here minus, and here also minus. Now, here plus 20x and minus 20x gets cancelled, and here 15y minus 8y, 15y minus 8y which is equals to 7y is equal to here 45 minus 52. So, what is the answer here? Minus 7. Okay. So, here from this one, y is equal to minus 7 by 7. So, 7 and 7 gets cancelled which is equals to minus 1. So, here y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, here we got that y value. Now, we need to find that x value here. So, by substituting y value in that either first equation or second equation. So, here I am going to take that second equation. What is that? 5x plus 2y. 5x plus 2y which is equals to 13. And we know that here we got that y is equal to minus 1, no? So, substitute y is equal to minus 1 in that equation number 2. Okay. So, from this one, 5x plus 2 into minus 1 which is equals to 13. So, 5x minus 2 which is equals to 13. So, 5x is equal to 13 plus 2. which is equals to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 5. So 5 3 is 15. So x is equal to 3. Understand? So now here we got that x value as well as y value also. Now we have to write that in ordinate pair. So ordinate pair x comma y, which is equals to here x we got that 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So what is the correct answer here? Let us see. 3 comma minus 1. Okay. And here they ask that find x plus y values, no? So directly we got that x value and y value. Now we need to find that x plus y value. So x is equals to 3 and here y is equals to plus of minus 1. So which is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to answer is 2. Okay. So which option is correct, must see here? Yes, first option is correct. That is 2. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us see the next 8th question. Yes, this is also just like the previous one only. So see here, what they given? 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. And the second equation is x minus y plus 3, which means here x minus y, which is equals to minus 3. Okay. So here this is in this form, no? So 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. That's why just transpose it that plus 3 into that RHS, it will come as minus 3. Okay. So here the first equation should be multiplied with the x coefficient 1 and the second equation should be multiplied with the x coefficient from the first equation. Okay. So from this one we are getting here 1 into 2x. Again we will get the same equation, no? So 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. And from the second, 2 into x is equal to 2x minus 2 into y is equal to 2y is equal to 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Clear to you? So here this is minus, plus and plus. Just we are doing that is subtraction. Okay. So 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. And here 3y plus 2y is equal to 5y, which is equals to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So from this one, y is equal to 10 by 5. So we are getting here 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Okay, we got that y value as 2. Now we need to find that x value. So substitute. Now substitute y is equal to 2 in which equation? That is your wish only. So here I am going to take that equation 1. Okay, substitute y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So what is that equation number 1 here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So 2x plus 3 into y is equal to 2, which is equals to 4. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 3 2 is 6. So from this one, 2x is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, what they ask me here, ordered pair they given. So, x comma y we need to find. So, now we have that x value and y value, no? So, at the place of x that is minus 1. At the place of y that is 2. So, what is that ordered pair here? Minus 1 comma 2. So, which option is correct here? That is option B. Okay. So, let us see that next 9th question. Yes. So, this is also just like the previous one. So, x plus y is equal to 7. 5x plus 2y is equal to 20. Okay. Again, the first equation multiplies with 5 and the second equation multiplies with 1. The reason you know that, right? The coefficients of x from first equation and the second equation. So, 5 into x that is 5x plus 5 into y 5y, which is equals to 7 5 is 35. Okay. And from the second one, 5x plus 2y, which is equals to 20. So, take the difference. So, minus, minus, minus. So, plus 5x and minus 5x gets cancelled. And here 5 minus 2 is equals to 3y, which is equals to 35 minus 20, which is equals to 15. Okay. So, here 3 1s and 3 5s 15. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Now substitute y is equal to 5 in any one of the equation. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is 2. Okay, in equation number 1. So what is that equation number 1? 5x plus 5y is equal to 35. So 5x plus 5 into y is equal to 5, which is equals to 35. Okay, so 5x plus 25, which is equals to 35. So from this one, 5x is equal to 35 minus 25, which is equals to 10. So 5x is equal to 10. From this one, x is equal to 10 by 5. So 5 ones and here 5 2s 10. From this, x is equal to 2. Okay. Now we have that x value and y value. Again, ordered pair we have to write. So here x comma y. So here x is equal to, we got that 2 and y is equal to 5. Okay. So which option is correct, ma? 2 comma 5. So children, here they given 5 comma 2. So here always the first one represents that x and the second one represents that y. So we should not change the order. Okay, if you change the order here, maybe in that order pair we are having 5 comma 2. So just like as 2 and 5 only, no. So we can keep that 5 and 2 also answer. No, it is wrong. Okay, why? Because here always the first place of that ordered pair represents that x value and the second one always represents that y value. Okay, so the x value, if you written like this means then here x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Is it satisfying here? No. Okay, so that's why this is the wrong option. So the correct answer is 2 comma 5. Understand? Yes. Let us see that the next question, that is 10th question. See here, x plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, and in the same way 2x plus 8y is equal to 0. Okay, so children, see here, x plus 4y is equal to 0 and 2x plus 8y is equal to 0. So this equation I want to write it as, by taking 2 as common, x plus 4y is equal to 0. So from that second equation I am writing, so x plus 4y is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So finally this is x plus 4y is equal to 0. So children, when you observe that these two equations here, these two also same equations only, x plus 4y. Understand? So here at this time, just you have to observe that that is which type of equation. Okay, we already discussed about that homogeneous and non-homogeneous. So this is homogeneous equation or non-homogeneous equation? Yes, how we can say that? This is homogeneous equation, ma. Why? Because homogeneous means the degree of that variable, the degree of that equation should be same. The degree of each term of that equation should be same, then that is called homogeneous equation. Okay, so here the degree is 1 and here also the degree is 1. Okay, and here constant term is not there. So easily we can say that this is a homogeneous equation, and homogeneous equation is satisfies for that only origin. Okay, that value satisfies at only origin. So origin means 0 comma 0. Yes or no? Okay, at the time of second worksheet we discussed about this one. In the second total worksheet they given related to consistent and non-consistent. Okay, which means inconsistent. Okay, so at that time we discussed about that homogeneous equations and non-homogeneous equations also. If anybody missed that video, once again see that video. Okay, so here this is satisfies for that the value both x and y also. Y, madam, means see here, the sum of two values is equal to 0. The sum of two values is equal to 0. When it will be possible? Only the single possibility is there here, x and y both also positive. X and y both also positive. Okay, at that cases here this is satisfies for 0 plus 4 into 0, which is equals to 0. Satisfies. So there also. Okay, so x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Just to simplify this one, here 2x plus 8y is equal to 0, and the next equation x plus 4y is equal to 0. So in this case also, if you are taking this one, then here multiplies with 2, again you will get the same equation 2x plus 8y is equal to 0. At that time those two gets cancelled. Okay, so simply by substituting that we can find the values. Okay, so directly we can say that by seeing this one, directly we can say that 0 and 0 satisfies. Okay, so as per this one. Now come to that options, any other value satisfies the given equation or not. Okay, so one of the answer is 0, 0. One of the answer is 0, 0. Let us go for that second option here, minus 4, 1. Okay, so see here, the equation is x plus 4y is equal to 0 and another one 2x plus 8y is equal to 0. Okay, here option B, what they given ma? Minus 4, 1. Minus 4, 1. At this value, this is satisfied or not? Okay, so x is equal to minus 4 plus 4 into y is equal to 1, which is equals to 0. So minus 4 plus 4, those two gets cancelled. Finally, we are getting here 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so the first by seeing that one, that is a homogeneous equation. That's why directly we can say that 0, 0 is that answer. Along with that, any other option satisfying or not, here we have to see that. Okay, so the second option is 2 into, here x is equal to minus 4 plus 8 into 1, which is equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So plus 8 and minus 8 gets cancelled. Finally, we are getting here 0, 0. So second option also satisfying here. Okay, so this one also answer. And the third one is both A and B. Yes, this is the answer. A is satisfying and in the same way B also satisfying. So here A and B are that answers. Okay, and here none, that is D option. Okay ma. So this is 10th question. Okay children. So in that next video again we will meet with the next continuation questions from 11 onwards. Okay, thank you all.